I know a lot of you will have tuned in tonight to see the van, hopefully, on the dyno down at MRC. Well, I'll let you know now that hasn't happened. And the reason why is a few issues cropped up. So me and Alex went down on Wednesday and we had a few things to look at with Doug, checked through everything on the van, and long story short, the van didn't go on the dyno. We missed our time slot. MRC are really busy and unfortunately we missed that time slot. So what they've said is that they're gonna get it in, they are gonna tune it, they're gonna get it on the dyno at their earliest chance they get. So with that in mind, I didn't want to put out a video just showing me and Alex going down and rectifying a few of the issues that we needed to sort out with the van. So we're going to leave it for tonight. We're not going to put a video out for tonight, a proper video should I say. We're going to put it out hopefully Tuesday and you'll see the issues are resolved and also the van on the dyno, and fingers crossed we'll see what figures it makes. So tune in Tuesday night, 8 o'clock, and hopefully everything will make sense then.